Hi everyone, my name is Anna Morvin. Today I want to show you how to make a double selvage. It prevents from overrolling of the fabric and it looks pretty neat. This is one braid and this is the second braid, or in this sample you see this, and from behind looks pretty attractive. So it will prevent the most of the rolling when you need such patterns as stockinette, but it's not perfect. You see, it's still a little rolling, but it's not critical in my opinion. So let's go. So let's begin. I have here cast on of 10 stitches. So we need to put the yarn in front of our work, slip the first stitch and leave this yarn over the right needle to make a yarn over. This we will do in every row. Let's get to the end of the row. In the first row we just knit it. Then the wrong side, again yarn in front, slip the stitch on the right needle, make the yarn over, knit to the end of the row, and here in the end we have the slipped stitch and the yarn over. We knit them together on front loop, and this we will do as well in every row. So once more, we begin from slip stitch, yarn in front, make yarn over, then we work to the end of our row, and then knit together the slip stitch and the yarn over, and continue in such a manner. Let's see you a little later. So here I worked some more rows and this is how it looks. So this all, you see the pattern that this selvage makes. The braid behind, half braid here, and as you see, it doesn't really roll. It will roll a little inside, inevitably, unfortunately, but it's not that bad. Yeah, thanks for watching me. I wish you a great day. Follow my channel. Goodbye.